Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we are going to discuss on the topic time and work part 6. In this topic we are going to see the alternate work. Means what? Suppose A and B are working. On first day A will work, on second day B will work. Okay, in this way we have to solve the questions on alternate work. So question number 1, A completes the work in 10 days, B completes in 15 days. If they work alternately, in how many days work will get completed? Okay, now A and B are there. A will complete the work in 10 days, B will complete the work in 15 days. Okay, now we will take the total work, that is 30. So 15 2s are 30, 30 and 10 3s are 30. Okay, these are what? Efficiency, and these are what? Number of days. Okay, now so on first day A will work for how many? Magnitude for 3. On second day, yes, on second day who will work? B will work for how many magnitude? For 2. Means for 2 days we are having 3 plus 2, that is 5 work is going to be completed. We have to complete how many work? That is, this is what? The total work is 30. So for total 30 work, okay, so 5 is to be multiplied by 6, after that we will get 30. So in similar ways 6 is multiplied by 12 2, then we will get 12 days. Okay, so our answer will be what? The 12 days. Okay, question number 2, A completes a work in 10 days, B completes in 15 days, and C completes in 12 days. Means number of days are given, that is A, B and C. A completes in 10 days, B in 15 days and C in 12 days. So we will calculate first of all the efficiency by taking total work. Total work is nothing but the LCM. So we will take 60 as the total work, that is LCM of 10, 15 and 12. Okay, so efficiency will be 10 6 are 15 4 are 60 and 12 5 are, that is 60. Okay, now they will work alternately. Alternately means what? Starting with A, A's efficiency is 6, means on first day A will work for 6, on second day B will work. What is the efficiency of B? That is 4. Okay, and on third day who will work? C will work. What is the efficiency of C? That is 5. Okay, so we can say in 3 days how many work is going to be completed? That is 6 plus 4 plus 5 equal to what? 15. So 15 work is going to be completed, means total work is what? 60. Okay, so 60 is the total work. So for 60, 15 is to be multiplied with what? 4. Okay, so in similar way 3 is multiplied with 4, that is 4 3s are 12. So we are having the answer for this question, that is 12 days. If they work alternately, then in 12 days the work is completed. Now question number 3, that is A completes a work in 10 days, B in 15 days and C will complete the same work in 20 days. What is the question? If they work alternately, means what? A after B after C, and after that A will work on 4th day. So in how many days the work will get completed? So we will write A, B, C. We will calculate the efficiencies of A, B, C by taking first the number of days, 10 for A, 15 for B and 20 for C. So we will take the LCM or the total work for A, B and C. These are what days? We are going to calculate the efficiency by taking the LCM or the total work. Okay, we can write LCM or the total work. So we will take the 60 as the total work, So 23 is 60, 15 4 is 60, and 10 6 is 60. Now A will work on first day for how many magnitude? For 6. B will work on second day for how many magnitude? For 4. And C will work on third day, that is for how many magnitude? That is 3. So in 3 days, 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13 work is completed in how many days? That is 3 days. So in 3 days, so we can write for 3 days how many work is going to be completed? 13. So what is the total work? Yes, total work is what? 60. So 13 4s are 52 and 13 5s are 65. So 65 is more than 60. So we will take what? Multiplied by 4, that is 52. Okay, so take 4 into 3, that is 12 days. But our work is remaining, that is 60 minus 52, that will be what? 8. So on 13th day, okay, after 12 days, who will work? That is A will work for how many magnitude? For 6. Again we are required with 60 minus 52 since equal to 8. Okay, so 6 is completed on next day, and B will complete the remaining work. So 6. So what is remaining? 8 minus 6, that is 2. Okay, so this will be work for one day, and B will complete 4 work on single day. So we require what? 2. So he will work for half day. Okay, so 12 plus 1 13 and plus half, that is 13 1 by 2 days. Okay, so if they work alternately, then the work will get completed in 13 1 by 2 days. For more such type of videos and tricks, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.